Listen up, because this is the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Financial speculation doesn't just play some harmless game on the side, it's a slow poison, eating away at real economies while everyone's distracted by quick wins and fancy numbers on screens. Founders, investors, leaders, those of you grinding every day to build, innovate, and push forward, feel the sting of this more than most. You see deals flashing by in milliseconds, fortunes shifting with no real connection to factories, products, or hard work. That frustration, it's righteous. Because while speculation pumps money into thin air, the real economy, jobs, innovation, infrastructure, is gasping. But here's the brutal fact. Speculation is not the enemy itself. It's the runaway version of capitalism's heart. It's the imbalance screwing you over, the game divorced from the groundbreaking work you do, from the future you're trying to build. The agonizing part? This system can be broken, but it won't break itself. If you're sitting there, watching fortune vanish, or your ventures suffocate under market chaos, hear this. You have the power to get control back. To wrest speculation's grip off the economy's throat and realign capital with what actually moves the world forward. Step 1. Stop chasing liquidity for liquidity's sake. Real economies don't thrive on endless buying and selling, they thrive on investment. Investment that's patient, strategic, and tied to real value. So, when you decide where to put your money, don't follow the herd into short-term plays and volatile bubbles. Hunt down businesses that solve real problems, create jobs, or build something lasting. Build networks, really deep, meaningful alliances that connect innovators and capital in ways designed to withstand the storms of speculation. This isn't about comfort zones, it's about brutal dedication to durable foundations. Next, demand transparency like your survival depends on it, because it does. Secrets and complex derivatives create shadows where speculation breeds, hiding risks that explode without warning. Push for systems that expose these risks upfront, force accountability from exchanges, funds, and markets. This is where leadership matters. Leverage influence to create smarter regulation, smarter markets, but not the kind that strangles innovation. The kind that cuts out the short-sighted gamblers and funnels capital directly to creators who dare to build beyond the spreadsheet. Then, stop treating financial speculation as separate from capitalism's purpose. Instead, own the tension. Use speculation's insights, its volatility and signals, as data, not destiny. If markets are shouting, listen, but decide with clarity what parts of the chaos deserve your energy. Separate noise from reality. Train yourself and your teams to recognize what's manipulation and what's authentic movement. This clarity is the linchpin for turning capital into transformation, not just profit plays. Finally, elevate your mission beyond the profit margin. Real economies break and heal on human impact. See beyond balance sheets to real change. The jobs created, the communities strengthened, the technologies that redefine possibilities. Insert yourself as the invisible hand that guides capital where it's needed most, not where it's easiest. This means choosing investments that sometimes don't flash overnight gains, but build unstoppable momentum toward a future you can truly own. The frustration you feel every time you watch markets spin out of control? It's the signal that you're awake, you see the system's failures because you care about what's next. Don't numb it. Harness it. Grab the reins, shift the lens, and stop letting speculation hijack the economy you're fighting to build. This is the real revolution. Funding the impossible, dismantling illusions, and creating a new capitalism where capital fuels progress, not just noise. Rise with that fire. Connect fiercely with those who share this vision. Build the network that outsmarts speculation and rewrites the rules. Because if not now, then when? The time to stop watching and start reshaping is already burning. Be the force that turns the system inside out until capital serves creation, not chaos. No more distractions. No more waiting. This is the moment to reclaim the real economy and make it unstoppable.